Dallas name on YouTube.
Okay, this is Kelly's reaction to drinking generic. Actually, this is a real. No, this is nighttime fake NyQuil. This is from CVS, I believe. Really, I just want to see the look on my face. Mixed berry flavor. Yeehaw. I'd rather have a shot of wild turkey, let me tell you. Here we go. Oh, I just want to punch something. Ah. Man, straight whiskey is not that bad. That is just something else. They must deliberately make this taste that bad to make people, trick people's emotions into thinking it'll help. The placebo, I mean, hopefully placebo effect or something. Good God.